In today's video, I am going to show you what you need to know before buying Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, before you invest, it is important to understand how Bitcoin works and the costs that come with buying and selling it. So to get started, open Cash App on your device, go to your home screen, then scroll down to the Bitcoin section. You can also find this by tapping the investing icon at the bottom of the screen, where you can switch between stocks and Bitcoin. Now, from here, you can view your Bitcoin balance, track price changes, and learn more about Bitcoin through the information and news available in the app. Now, one important thing to understand is that buying Bitcoin on Cash App is not completely free. There are fees included with every purchase and sale. For example, if you buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, you may notice a small amount is taken as a fee. While this may seem small, these costs add up when you're investing larger amounts, like $100 or even $1,000. You also need to consider that Bitcoin prices constantly change. The value can go up or down quickly, so it's important to understand the risks before investing. In the same way you pay fees when buying Bitcoin, you may also pay fees when selling it. However, this does not mean that you should not invest in Bitcoin, but it is important to be aware of the costs and price changes before making any decisions. Take the time to learn how Bitcoin works and only invest what you're comfortable with. And that's what you need to know before buying Bitcoin on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.